Hi, Jim Sullick with Penofin. We're going to show you today how you take furniture looking like this and we're going to turn it into a beautiful finished project like this. We've let the furniture dry for 48 hours. Now we're ready to use the Penofin Verde stain from Jensen Furniture. Just apply a generous coat of the stain. You don't need to let it puddle in order to penetrate down through the wood surface. After you apply the stain, you let the stain set for 30 minutes. Then you use a cotton rag to wipe any excess of stain that hasn't been absorbed by the wood. A very important step is that when you're finished with that rag wiping off the surface, make sure that you put the rag into a metal bucket of water to avoid spontaneous combustion. We finished wiping down the furniture and now it's ready for use. Look how beautiful the end product looks. If you have any additional questions, call 1-800-PENOFIN.